Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to know if a client has viewed your Upwork proposal. This is a really useful feature because it helps you understand whether clients are actually seeing your applications, which can inform your follow-up strategy and help you gauge interest in your services. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to upwork.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged in properly so you can access all the features we'll be working with today. After you've signed in, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll see several options for navigating the platform. Click on Find Work to open up the drop-down menu. This section is where you'll manage everything related to job searching and proposal tracking. From the drop-down, select Proposals and Offers. This takes you to the central hub where all your submitted proposals are organized and tracked. Now you're in the Proposals section. Navigate over to Submitted Proposals. This is where Upwork lists all the proposals you've sent out to potential clients. It's your command center for monitoring the status of each application you've made. What you're looking for here is the viewed indicator, or an eye icon that appears next to each proposal. This small but important visual cue tells you whether the client has opened and looked at your submission. If you see the eye icon or the word viewed, it means the client has at least seen your proposal, which is a positive sign that they're considering applicants. Now, I should mention that I don't have any proposals submitted at the moment, but this is exactly where you would find that information when you do have active proposals out there. The eye icon or viewed status will appear right alongside your proposal in this list, making it easy to track at a glance. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to check if a client has viewed your Upwork proposal, giving you better insight into your job application process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.